what's that? You know, I guess words don't even matter. You know, we moving forward. When the judge came home, time passed, went back again. All the pain I felt inside myself, thought it would never end. I just thought I'd blame myself, can't even blame my friends. I was criticizing myself like you ain't never gonna win. Kentrell, you gotta man up, you done had all these keys. I'm like Kentrell, you gotta stand up, it's your time, I see. I'm like Deshaun, thinking you just hustling backwards, nigga, you didn't want. I just felt to accept that you not good for anyone. I'm smoking stronger, keeping strong. No more riding with that window down. Hanging out trying to lay them down. My soul I still ain't think I found. When I tell bro on the phone, I ain't even been worried about no jury now. So my girl don't wanna I bust down. I ain't even been worried about the jury now. I've been wanting to do right since I touched down. I've been watching the way I influence now. I ain't posting out a picture I moved on. I'm responsible to all these cheering now. Even though that they label me tough long. Back into my normal home. Back inside my closet, putting that velo on. Daughter born, I had to listen while sitting on the phone. First time got her in my arms, like I can't leave you alone. With all these thoughts, sometimes I don't. Kentrell, you gotta man up, you done had all these keys. I'm like Kentrell, you gotta stand up, it's your time, I see. I'm like Deshaun, thinking you just hustling backwards, nigga, you didn't want. I just felt to accept that you not good for anyone. Come get rid of me. I'm grown now, I'm a man, so tell them ain't no time for sympathy. I've been holding all these bands. I don't give a fuck about who not feeling me or into me. Into me, not no consistency. She ain't into me. Yeah, having you don't know what it meant to me. It ain't get to me. Nah, every time you say that you ain't shit to me. Even though you meant the world to me. Going straight, even though you curving me. I ain't worried about all that courtesy. Heart on top of my shoulder now. I'ma sleep on top of her berry sheet. Can't take no pill, but I'm rolling now. Can't drink no lane, but I'm focused now. Can't smoke no dope, but I'm loaded now. Can't tell no gun, but I'm strapped right now. Lit top on top of the map right now. Been dead, but nigga, I'm back right now. Keeping this shit on track right now. I don't take no Adderall. Pure water should make my feelings dissolve. Phone ring, I decline that call. No trouble, I get back with y'all. My hair ain't gon' top my eyes and fall. Through the rain, I'm seeing through all this fall.